Welcome everyone to a quick overview of lesson 2.3 from calculus, which is all about estimating derivatives. Before we start, I want to remind us of the two things that we need in order to find a derivative, to find an instantaneous rate of change. We need the function itself to be continuous. We can't find the instantaneous rate of change of a function where it's discontinuous. So if we have any discontinuity, we can't find the derivative at that value. We could find it before, we could find it after, we can't find it at that value. Another thing that's off limits is corners or cusps. I have trouble saying that, but sharp corners or where it like curves in opposite directions towards a certain point. Both of those are also no-goes for derivatives. So let's look here and let's try to estimate some of them. We are not given a function. This isn't defined as an equation, so we can't find the exact values, but we can estimate them using average rate of change, average slope. So if I wanted to find f prime or estimate f prime of 1, I would use the values for 0 and 2. I could do 6 minus 0 over 2 minus 0, and that would give us 3. Don't forget your units. And the units for a derivative are always the y unit divided by the x unit. So in this case, it's miles divided by hours, also known as miles per hour. If I wanted to estimate something a little bit more challenging, what if I wanted to estimate 6? The instantaneous rate of change at 6. Well, I would have to use the opposite sides. I would have to use the 4 and I would have to use the 8. So for that I would do 12 take away 8 over 8 take away 4. So that is 4 over 4, and that would be 1 mile per hour. I'm just going to put the mph here, but miles divided by hours. And it's okay for this value to be negative. In this case, let's actually look at the instantaneous rate of change at 9. So for that, we'll use these values here, which would be 0 take away 12 over 10 take away 8, and that would give us negative 12 over 2, which would be negative 6 miles per hour. So it is perfectly okay for us to estimate these values. It's the best we can do when we have a table. If you have any questions, please reach out. Other than that, good luck with your practice, and I'll see you in the next video.